Hello, today I'm in MINI Countryman. In this video I'll show you how to manage address book. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to navigation. Scroll left and again left until you see address book. Enter it and here is your address book. You can go to display my contacts and here is the full list of all of your contacts. You can add new contact by pressing right, and here you can add surname, first name, phone number, or simply select address. Firstly select country, city, street, and select accept. Now you can select home or work. Save contact in car, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.